Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to access File Manager in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to hostinger.com. Here, after logging in, direct your attention to the Websites section. Here, you'll find a list of the domains linked to your account. Next to each domain, you'll see a dashboard button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the dedicated dashboard for your chosen website, where you can manage its various settings and tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to access the File Manager. Look at the left-hand sidebar, which acts as your main navigation panel. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Files. Under this, click on File Manager to proceed. Doing so will open a web-based file explorer that functions as your control room for handling all files and folders related to your website. Inside the File Manager, you gain complete control over your site's data. You can upload new files, edit existing ones, organize folders by renaming or deleting unnecessary elements, and even move files around to maintain structure. And that's it. So that is how you can access File Manager in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.